What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when the vibration is partially not working or not working at all on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While using your iPhone, open up your device settings. In the Accessibility section, navigate to Touch and make sure that the vibration option is enabled. When disabled, your iPhone will not vibrate at all. If these settings look a bit different on your iOS device, then make sure that you're running the latest iOS version. Navigate to your General Settings and tap on Software Update. Download the latest update before restarting your iPhone. This will in addition restart all processes and fix potential issues related to software running on your device. If the problem persists, then head back to your settings and select Sounds and Haptics. These settings will allow you to enable vibration, change ringtones and the alert volume. Make sure that the System Haptics option is enabled. This will allow your OS and other apps to trigger the vibration. You should enable the Play Haptics in Ring Mode and Play Haptics in Silent Mode options if you want your iPhone to vibrate in any mode. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.